Hi, I'm Simon from Astera, R&D Director, and I want to show you our two new Fresnel lights here. So let's start with this one. That's the LeoFresnel. It's a 250 watts LED fixture, RGB mint amber, like all our other lights, like a Titan tube. And this is equivalent to a 1K tungsten. You can zoom it between 15 and 60 degree. It comes with a 8-leaf barn door. On the back, you can see it has a XLR in and out, it has true 1 in and out, and it does have a 48 volt battery connector that in fact takes 12 to 48 volts. If you run it from 12 to 20 volts, it's 150 watts, and from 24 to 48, it's full power 250 watts. We do have a handle here. You can remove that and place it in a different location. We could remove the Fresnel here. You can even take out this and use it as a hard light. So let's move over to the PlutoFresnel. This is a very small fixture. It's only 80 watt LED, which is equivalent to a 300 watt tungsten. It is, again, same LED engine as our Titan tube, has the same menu here, all the same here, and it even has the same DC input as the Titan tube, which is at 24 volts, and you can run also data onto it. Means you have a power supply that connects here. You can run ArtNet, SACN, and power into the PlutoFresnel. What's very nice is I can remove the PlutoFresnel here from the yoke, and I can take it around like this, basically like a big torchlight. It's also, again, 15 to 60 degree zoom range. Same as for the Leo, we can remove the barn door. I can remove the Fresnel here. And a recent add-on, which is soon to be sold, is our projector lens. It goes in here. Let's see if I can see this. Yep, right. So we have a gobo in here. First open this thing. The projection lens is zoomable between 15 and 36 degree. It does have shutters. And we can also insert a gobo here. Right, so that's about our two new Fresnel lights. Thanks for watching again. This was Simon from Astera.